When you get your kit, it's going to be tied in a knot. I untied the knot. It's going to be tied in a knot at the top. And what you're going to do is you're going to untie that. So you have two separate pieces of cedar. So you have it dry here with you. And I'm going to try to loosen up the fibers in the wood by bending it like this. See how the fibers are coming apart here? So you gotta make sure you do it to the entire side for both sides to get it nice and loose. And you're going to do what I just showed you all up and down. You see how it's tearing apart here? That is beautiful. No wonder why our people used this wood in regalia making, when decorating masks, and that sort of thing. Because like, it's just so beautiful and strong as well. When you get it, when you make it into a rope, our people used this rope with bigger chunks, of course, to help lift totem poles and to help them when building canoes and all these cool things. Maybe it's a conversation that you could have with your family. How did your grandparents or great-grandparents traditionally make rope? How was rope created? That's a interesting thing to look up. Maybe you can even look that up on Google. I'm sure you can find some Western examples. There might be some indigenous examples as well. It's an interesting skill, for sure. Goodness, almost done this one. So it took me a little while to get that done, but whatever. Patience and time. Learning takes time, and things don't happen all at once. Here we go. A knot right at the end here, just so that things don't attach themselves too much together in the process of wetting. So we're gonna wet our rope here. I'm not too sure how long to wet it for. Maybe just a minute or so. Get all those fibers nice and wet. I think that's perfect. See, so you don't have to wet it overnight or anything like this. You just, it's all coming together. Okay, stay tuned. So you see that I used a little hinge or what have you lever on my window, but I recommend having somebody hold the end of your bracelet for you as you twist. Put it nice in there. Let's begin the twisting process. Okay friends, got it on this lever hokey thingy, but it's best to have a person hold it, or use a pin to pin it down onto your pants. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start twisting each side. And as I'm twisting each side, you'll notice that the rope just wants to form. It'll just start coming onto each other. Go. Do you see that? Beautiful. Now you'll have to kind of hold it and then get a grip again as you twist sometimes, because Otherwise your fingers will be going over here. There we go. Beautiful, do you see that? Wow. Now it's important for the person or whoever is holding the end here not to hold it so that it's not able to move. They need to hold it lightly and let the string or the rope just do its thing. Otherwise, you're not going to get this movement on your bracelet. Perfect. Now I'm going to keep doing this till I get all the way to the bottom. Got a long way to go. If you're like me and you're having trouble doing it the way that I was just telling you to do it, you can twist one side and then twist the other and then just fold them over nice and tight. Not only would that be a little faster in your endeavor, but it'll ensure that you are indeed twisting. So here I am at the end of the rope. I'm going to tie a knot at the end here. Then I'm going to wrap it around Ricky's wrist. And then tie 2 knots and cut it off. Here we go. So I'm gonna tie 1 knot, and then I'm gonna tie 2 knots. Oh!
No!
It's okay.
Oh. We're okay, everyone.
Mm-hmm. Then I'm gonna tie 2 knots here. I guess you don't necessarily have to tie a knot at the end of it because it all just stays together anyway. You see how it didn't unravel on itself? And after a long time of wearing it, it's going to smoothen out and it's going to look cool. All right, that's your bracelet. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
Yay!